Hang on. Hang on. All right, got it. Hi, it's Dr. Moran with Kinetic Chiropractic, and we're going to talk to you guys today about auto accidents and whiplash. There's over 5 million auto accidents each year, and that number's been growing due to distracted drivers from smartphones and other distractions. Many people that are involved in these auto accidents don't even realize they've had injuries until weeks or months after the injury. Your medical doctor in the emergency room, they're looking for things like life-threatening injuries, things like fractures, dislocations, lacerations, internal bleeding, and they might not acknowledge injuries that occur at lower speeds or where the injury isn't obviously apparent. But research has shown differently. According to Dr. Rene Callier, he's the former professor at the University of Southern California School of Medicine and writer of many articles and texts, including writing for the American Medical Association. He says, quote here, simulated impacts have shown low-speed collisions can cause significant musculoskeletal injuries even when there is minimal damage to both vehicles. So what does that mean? That means even that fender bender that you're in is enough to cause damage to your back or your neck. In order to have success with the whiplash injury, it's important to select the right provider. Chiropractors like me are trained for these types of injuries. So if you've been injured in any kind of auto accident or whiplash, it's important to get checked out as soon as possible. The sooner you start care, the less likely you are to develop long-term problems with that injury.
Here is a clip of a rear-end collision at 6 miles per hour. From outside the car, we can see that there is a decent impact on the vehicle and driver. When we move to inside the car, we can see that the forces the driver experiences are quite substantial. She is in obvious pain and has likely sustained whiplash injuries. When the video is slowed down, we can see that the body is thrown backwards, then forward, causing physical distress to the driver. The occupant in this crash test experiences 9 G's of force. What this means is that a 10-pound head would effectively weigh 90 pounds during the impact. This is enough force to cause significant injuries to the body.
Whiplash injuries are a serious matter. The results can be devastating if these injuries go untreated. What's unfortunate is that most people don't realize they've been injured until long after the accident. By the time they realize they need help, usually the injury has become much more severe. Now, what kind of results does chiropractic see with auto accident injuries? In a Woodward study, 92% of patients saw significant improvement for injuries suffered from auto accidents under chiropractic care. We here at Kinetic Chiropractic have over a decade's worth of education and experience treating multiple injuries, including auto accident injuries. And did you know your auto insurance will cover treatment regardless of who is at fault, oftentimes at no cost to you. So if you or someone you know has been injured in an auto accident, give us a call and set up a free consultation today.